I wish this was Christmas and we were doing Christmas baking.
Oh, what is going
Put it
on?
on the side.
My nail tech thought I was going to university. Look how fun they are. They're so cute. Hi friends, it is September 12th. I don't know if I ever said this, but I actually don't work on Mondays and I just started working on Fridays. If you watched my last vlog, first of all, look at my cute ass little mug. It's from Indigo. It is a ghost mug, very clearly. It's on sale for like 14. Oh my god, what the? I like wiped something off my desk and it's like, what the hell? If you watched my last vlog, I think, number one, I talked about how I didn't want to be an influencer anymore, quote unquote, like a full-time influencer. I like to do this as my hobby, and I have a lot of fun with it. I don't ever see myself going full-time with this. Number one, I think it's a lot of work that no one gives credit to. I think that I'm in a place in my life where I just like to film these videos and I just like to edit them for fun and I just like to look back at them like in a couple years. I don't actually see myself doing this full-time. I like having my full-time job and I like doing this on the side. But in that video, I can't remember if I had just done an interview or if I was going to do an interview, but regardless, I did an interview, a couple interviews that week, and I didn't get 2 of them, but those were also not the jobs that I wanted, but I did get one of them. I feel extremely lucky and extremely grateful, but I also know that I worked my ass off to get to where I am. I actually just got my contract and I will be signing those. That means that I have been putting off writing my letter of resignation from my current internship for a while. I've been putting it off for about a week and it has come to the point where I can no longer put it off and I need to literally send it today. I will be starting on October the 11th at my new job, but that means I have to quit my current job. Not a lot of people talk about this, but it is incredibly difficult to leave your first job that you got out of university, or in my case I was working it while I was finishing off university, and it is extremely difficult to leave the first job that really gave you a chance. Also, I don't think I said what this video was. This will be a week in my life video. I am filming the week before my sister's wedding. My sister is getting married Saturday. This week isn't going to be super out of the normal until about Thursday. Saturday and the wedding in general, I think it's going to be a separate vlog because I think that's just like way too much overload of wedding content. By the time you're watching this, I will be in Hawaii, which is exciting. Get ready for Hawaii vlogs. But now I will be drafting my letter of resignation, drinking my coffee, and signing some documents. Yeah. Hi guys, it is now Tuesday. I'm like lying in my bed clearly, but I just got off of a meeting with my boss because as you saw yesterday, Monday? Yeah. Monday, I handed in my 2 weeks, which was fucking terrifying. Also, that meeting I had with my boss just now was fucking terrifying. There's not really much you can say because I like already quit. It's very scary to have to explain yourself. At the end of the day, I was just so completely burnt out. I felt very lost, and I think that's why I felt very lost in the summer, like during the summer, which is like my favorite fucking season, and I love the summer. I love everything about it, but something about this summer, as much as I had a great time this entire summer and I did such cool things and like it was so fun and I got to see like all my favorite people and I did all my favorite things, I hated it. I hated this summer because mentally I was like, I don't know what I want to do, and I was just so in the worst mindset ever. That interview was terrifying, to say the least. It's exciting to move on. friends, I literally look like shit. It is Wednesday, September 14th. It's actually my friend's birthday today, so I wish her happy birthday, but she lives in Ottawa, so nothing is happening over here. I'm drinking a chocolate cream cold brew from Starbucks. I wanted the pumpkin cream cold brew, but my Starbucks is out of the pumpkin sauce or whatever, because pumpkin cream cold brew and the pumpkin spice latte were like sold out. The reason why I love cream cold brews is because they're like not too sweet, just the right amount of whatever flavor it is. Today busy. I said yesterday that I had that one-on-one. Now I just have like a bunch of meetings in these 2 weeks. I have one tomorrow for this style guide that will be like months in advance, and I guess then is when I can tell my team that I will be leaving. My team is very small and there's only 3 of us on the graphic team, and we each do different things. I also have my exit interview in exactly a week. Tomorrow I'm so freaking excited because I can finally paint my nails. I'm actually gonna get my nails done for the first time in over 2 years. I haven't had my nails done since January of 2020, so it's been a fucking long time. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get these nails because like look how fun they are. The reason why I'm getting like such a bold thing for a wedding is because I'm going on vacation right after, so I want it to be neutral enough for the wedding but also like fun and funky enough for my vacation. Now that it's like my last 2 weeks of work, I feel like they are giving me such a large amount of work. Like they have introduced me into the product world when I'm about to leave, which is annoying because I love learning new things, but not when I'm leaving, because you had the opportunity. I've been here for 8 months and I feel like some of this could have been introduced a long time ago. Hello. It is Thursday. I thought it was Friday. It is Thursday and I am currently working, and I actually started work at 8:30, so half an hour earlier today because I have a nail appointment at 10 o'clock. Well, a nail and wax appointment at 10, so I'm really trying to bust out my work because then I have a meeting at 2. So when will I get work done? Except for earlier in the day. So I've been just like go this whole time. Oh, I shouldn't have done that because I have a lot of work to do and it's not fun when you need to get work done. I'm also not working tomorrow, which is probably why. I mean, I could have actually worked tomorrow, but I chose not to because I didn't want to work the day before the wedding. Hello everyone, I am back home now and my sister texted me. I got my nails done. I had to walk home from the salon because I am still working, so I have to get stuff done. So my sister and my mother are there now, but I want to show you my nails because they're so freaking cute. Like, look at them, they're so cute. The nail tech that did my nails did them so freaking fast, like so fast. I think it only took like 30 minutes. The rehearsal dinner is tonight. I wanted to say that I have been going to my nail salon for years, like decades, because my nail tech thought I was going into university, and I have been going there since I think I was in elementary school just to get my eyebrows waxed, and I've been going there for my entire life. I'm just gonna, you know, bang these digital ads out so I can be done, and then I will catch you guys probably at the end of the day. We do have to leave here like super early for the rehearsal dinner because it is quite a bit far. Actually, we're having dinner first and then we're going to the rehearsal.
No, my parents didn't.
This way. Okay, going in.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna start falling.
Wait. No, wait. And then like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.